Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove navigation bar on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and if we want to remove the navigation bar, this is my navigation bar, and if we want to remove it, we can go to our setting. And then we have to open the display setting. You can scroll down to find this display setting and go to the navigation bar setting. This one. If we want to remove it, we can select this swipe gestures. Just click on the swipe gestures and wait for a moment. Alright, and now as you can see that my navigation bar has been removed, and we can choose the type of the swipe gestures. You just need to click on more options, and here you can choose either you want to use the swipe from bottom or swipe from sides and bottom. And I prefer this one, so I'm gonna select this one. And okay, this is the result. I'm just going to go back like this, and now my navigation bar has been removed, as you can see. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove navigation bar on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.